How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can improve Snapchat camera quality, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now what happens is that whenever you try to take a snap, whenever you actually see here, it's in a really good quality, but after you take that snap, it actually compresses and decreases the quality of that photo or the snap. So how do you fix this? Now there isn't a direct comprehensive guide as to how you can actually improve the camera quality, because it all really depends upon the AI and the main camera sensors, but still there are some things that you can do. That is that instead of actually choosing and taking a snap right from your Snapchat app, I'd recommend you simply choose a photo from your gallery that you take from your camera app instead. So take a photo using your camera application here, and what you do want to do is just select this. And after you've done that, now normally what happens is that if you select this icon and select the camera roll photo that we just sent, instead of sending it as a snap, it is going to send as a chat. But that's not what we want to do. We want to send this still as a normal snap. For that, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the right hand side until you get to the explore section, and then tap on the explore tab as you would be able to find it, right? And when you tap the explore tab, in the search box just type in photos filter. So look for the photos filter here, and when you look for the photos filter or the videos filter, select them, and in this filter you just can choose a photo that you took from your own gallery, right? So just go ahead and select the photo that you took from your own gallery. What this does is that now you can just take snap like this, and after you've done this, it is in a much better quality because you didn't take them from Snapchat, you took them from a camera app and imported them on Snapchat. And this way you can go ahead and then improve and make your camera quality much better on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.